Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are stepping away from the flat, two-dimensional world and diving into the captivating realm of 3D relief wall art. If you have ever felt like your walls were just missing something, you aren't alone. A room can have the perfect furniture and the right lighting, but without that focal point, that piece of art that makes you stop and stare, the space feels incomplete. In this video, we aren't just looking at pictures hung on a wall. We are exploring textures, shadows, and the incredible way that depth can change the atmosphere of an entire home. Whether you are a fan of minimalist modern design or rustic, earthy vibes, 3D relief art is the ultimate way to inject personality into your living space. What exactly is 3D relief wall art? At its core, relief is a sculptural technique where the elements remain attached to a solid background of the same material. Unlike a standalone statue that you walk around, relief art is meant to be viewed from one side. It sits somewhere between a flat painting and a full-scale sculpture. When we bring this onto a wall, it creates a dynamic interaction with light. As the sun moves throughout the day or as you dim your evening lights, the shadows cast by the 3D elements shift. This makes your wall art alive. It is never the same at 10 a.m. as it is at 8 p.m. That is the magic we are crafting today. Choosing your style, where to begin. Before we dive into the creation process, let's talk aesthetics. You need to choose a direction that complements your home's character. Organic/natural, think driftwood, dried branches, river stones, and bark. This style is perfect for those who want to bring the calming essence of nature indoors. Geometric/modern, clean lines, sharp angles, and repetitive patterns. This looks incredible in contemporary, industrial, or minimalist homes. Abstract/textural, using materials like modeling paste, fabric, or even repurposed construction scraps to create chaotic yet beautiful landscapes. Materials needed for your first project. You don't need a professional workshop to start. Here is a basic starter kit. A sturdy backing, a high-quality wooden board or a thick, reinforced canvas. The relief medium, this could be wood slices, modeling paste, clay, or recycled materials. Adhesive, a strong construction adhesive, like liquid nails, or a high-quality wood glue. Finishing, gesso, acrylic paints, or wood stains to unify the piece. Tools, sandpaper, a utility knife, a palette knife, if using paste, and clamps. Planning and composition. The biggest mistake people make is rushing to glue things down. Start by laying out your elements on the board without adhesive. Move them around. Create a flow. Do you want the design to be centered, or do you want it to look like it's spilling off the edge of the board? Remember, the goal is to create visual weight. Building the foundation. Once you have your design, it's time to secure the base. If you are using wood slices, start from the edges and work your way in. This ensures your margins are consistent. For textured paste, apply it in layers. Do not try to build the height all at once, or the material might crack as it dries. Patience is your best friend. The shadow play. This is the secret weapon of 3D art. To make the piece look professional, you need depth. Ensure that some elements are raised significantly higher than others. When you paint or stain, try a dry brush technique. This means taking a very small amount of paint on a stiff brush and lightly running it over the textures. It catches only the highest points, highlighting the 3D nature of your work and leaving the deep crevices darker. 3D relief wall art is more than just decor, it's a conversation starter. It's a way to prove that you don't need a massive budget to create high-end luxury in your own home. All you need is a vision, some reclaimed materials, and the willingness to get your hands a little dirty. I want to see what you create. If you follow these steps, tag me or share your results. Let's make our spaces as unique as our stories. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more DIY art transformations.